first year. Today I am going to discuss equation involving two multiple angles. Sin p theta is equal to sin q theta, cos p theta is equal to cos q theta, and tan p theta is equal to tan q theta. Now see, if sin p theta is equal to sin q theta, sin p theta is equal to sin q theta. So we can write p theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n q theta. Now here there are two cases, n is even or odd. So first case, if n is even, so we can consider let n is equal to 2m. So we can write p theta is equal to 2m pi. In place of n we can write 2m pi plus minus 1 to the power 2m q theta. So p theta is equal to 2m pi. We know that minus power even always gives plus sign, so plus q theta. So in the next line, p theta, here is plus, other side minus 2m pi. So if we take theta as a common, so in bracket p minus q, 2m pi. So theta is equal to 2m pi p minus q. This is the first condition. Now if I am talking about second condition, means if n is odd, let n is equal to 2m plus 1. So p theta is equal to 2m plus 1 pi plus minus 1 to the power 2m plus 1 q theta. Minus to the power odd always gives minus sign, so here pi minus q theta. P theta, here minus, this side plus, so plus q theta is equal to 2m plus 1 pi. So if we take theta common, then p plus q, 2m plus 1 pi. So in the next line, theta is equal to 2m plus 1 pi upon p plus q. Now if we see cos p theta is equal to cos q theta, so we know that p theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus q theta. Here there are two questions, means two conditions, one for positive, so taking positive sign, so p theta is equal to 2n pi plus q theta. So p theta, here is positive, so here is negative. So if we theta take as a common, so p minus q, 2n pi, so theta is equal to 2n pi upon p minus q. Now if we take negative sign, so p theta is equal to 2n pi minus q theta. So p theta plus q theta is equal to 2n pi. If we take theta as a common, then p plus q, 2n pi. So theta is equal to 2n pi p plus q. Now if we see the third condition, that is tan p theta is equal to tan q theta. So we can write p theta is equal to n pi plus q theta. So in the next line, p theta minus q theta is equal to n pi. So if we take theta as a common, then p minus q, n pi. So theta is equal to n pi p minus q. Now I am going to solve the first question. Tan 2 theta is equal to tan 2 by theta. So we know that 2 theta is equal to n pi plus 2 by theta. So 2 theta is equal to n pi theta plus 2 by theta. Now in the next line 2 theta square is equal to n pi theta plus 2. So 2 theta square is equal to, or we can write 2 theta square minus n pi theta minus 2 is equal to 0. Now here we are going to solve this by Sridharacharya method. So we can write here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus n pi, and c is equal to minus 2. So theta is equal to, formula is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So theta is equal to, the value of b is minus n pi, so here is plus, so plus minus b square, so minus n pi square, n square pi square, minus 4, a is 2 and c is minus 2 upon 2a means 2 into 2, because value of a is 2. So theta is equal to n pi plus minus under root n square pi square plus minus plus 4 to the 8 to the 16. So that is the answer. Now in the next sum, if sin pi cos theta is equal to cos pi sin theta, so we have to prove that sin 2 theta is equal to plus minus 3 by 4. Now we can see sin pi cos theta is equal to cos pi sin theta. So sin pi cos theta equals to, here we can write sin pi by 2 plus minus pi sin theta. As we know that sin 90 plus theta cos theta and sin 90 minus theta is also cos theta. So in the next line we can write pi cos theta is equal to pi by 2 plus minus pi sin theta. So if we take pi as a common right hand side, so that is 1 by 2 plus minus sin theta. Now these two cancelled out, so cos theta is equal to minus plus sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Now on squaring both sides, so cos theta minus plus sin theta whole square equals to 1 by 2 whole square. Here we can open, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta minus plus 2 sin theta cos theta, that is 1 by 4. Here is 1, we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 by 4. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1 by 4. So 1 plus minus, we know that 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta 1 by 4. Now we can take positive sign and negative sign as well. So 1 plus sin 2 theta is equal to 1 by 4, and in the next line 1 minus sin 2 theta is equal to 1 by 4. So here sin 2 theta is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1. So sin 2 theta is equal to, 4 is the LCM, 1 minus 4. So sin 2 theta is equal to minus 3 by 4. And here 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to sin 2 theta. So that is 4 1 4 minus 1, 3 by 4, that is a sin theta. So on the whole we can say sin 2 theta is equal to plus minus 3 by 4. Now in the next sum, if tan cot x is equal to cot tan x, so prove that sin 2x is equal to 4 upon 2n plus 1 pi. Now see, tan cot x is equal to cot tan x, this is given, So in the next line we can write tan cot x is equal to tan 90 minus tan x. We know that tan 90 minus theta cot theta. Now if tan theta is equal to tan alpha, so we know that theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, and alpha is pi by 2 minus tan x. Now tan x minus this side plus, so cot x plus tan x. Now here we can take 2 LCM, so 2n pi and plus pi. Now here we can write cot x cos x upon sin x, and here tan can be written as sin x upon cos x. And in the numerator if we take pi as a common, so 2n plus 1, here is pi, here is 2. Now if we take sin x cos x as a LCM, so in the numerator we can write cos square x plus sin square x, and here 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Here cos into cos, cos square x, sin into sin, sin square x, and we know that cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. Sin x cos x 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So now in left hand side multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2, 2 sin x cos x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Now 2 upon sin 2x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. If we make a reciprocal of that, so sin 2x by 2 is equal to 2 upon 2n plus 1 pi. So we can write sin 2x is equal to, this is divide, so this side of equal to multiply, so 2 2s are 4, 2n plus 1 pi.